Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we'll discuss about the isometric view of a circular planes. So how to draw a circular plane in the isometric view. So the question given here, draw the isometric view of a circle of a diameter 60 mm on all the three principal planes using coordinate method. So let's draw in the AutoCAD. First I'll go for the MB setup. This is the normal procedure for us. Enable paper space no, unit metric M, scale factor 1, and this is 420 and 297. So here I have created a you can say the page we have created, Z enter, A enter. Now I'll select this line and I'll just draw a reference line on this. Okay, now we need to draw a circle. So let's select the circle and just draw it. Diameter 60 is there, so radius we need to enter 30. So we can see a circle is created here, and let me draw one line also, like a rectangular box or square box which is covering this circle, you can say. So draw like this, and another one line you can just draw it vertically, and this line we just can copy, just take it from here to here. Okay, and this one also you can just copy from here to, you just copy from this one to this one. Okay, now just move this circle from here to this point, and this one also, to take this midpoint of this or tangent of this, you can select. Now you can take it up to here, and this one also you can keep it up to here. Select this one, join up to here and join up to here, and similarly this also need to be stretched to the junction point, meeting point of this. Similarly this also you can keep it up to here, and this one you can keep it here. Okay, now this square part, that square of a circle we have completed, and let's measure this angle of the dimension of this. So select the linear dimension and select this. Obviously we know that the dimension will come 60 for all the sides, because the diameter of the circle is given 60. So first step we have completed in this. So this is the first step we have completed, and next we need to go for it to draw in the AutoCAD. Actually here they have taken this midpoint to join from this midpoint to this midpoint, and from here to, from this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, so and corner also, diagonal also we can join it. Okay, now what I'll do, this is not required, leave it. Okay, next I'll just select the ISO. I've selected the ISO draft, which is indicating for the isometric view. So here I have selected the ISO top, ISO plane top. So now I'll go for ISO left and right, or you can go for top also, everything we can do. So let's first draw a line, select the line and just select from here. So here how much, 60 is there, so let's take 60, this side 60, again here this side 60, again we can close it here. Okay, and the next step is we just need to identify the midpoint of that. So from midpoint we can go for the diagonal connection. Okay, and here to here. So I got the midpoint, center point of this, you can say midpoint of this. To draw the circle in this isometric view, we have a different command. So actually that is we have to select ellipse. So we'll go for EL enter, ellipse. Now select the iso circle here. Okay, specify the axis point of the end point of the ellipse, or we can say we will select the iso circle. Now specify the center of the iso circle, and now we can just you can give midpoint of this. We can select just by selecting the midpoint, we just can draw this up to here, or we can give the radius of that. If you want to give, you can give 30, or you can join it here. So this is our required circle in this. Now this is for isotop plane. Similarly, we'll go for the ISO right and ISO left. For that I will do, it is in this position, it is in ISO top position. Now if I click on F5, now it changes to ISO right. So now you can see. So here I'll go for the ISO right, little bit take this side. Now here also length is 60, again height is 60, again it will be this side parallel to that 60, again it will come back to 60. Okay, similarly just we need to join all this. So directly also I can identify the center point. See, if I go for ellipse, okay, sorry, ellipse, EL enter, and now see this center point I need to identify. Okay, just what I'll do, I'll just select this one, I'll come to here. Now see, this is my center point of that. Now I'll select this one. Okay, before that let me ellipse, ISO circle, then I have to come for the midpoint of this. Okay, and here to identify the midpoint of this object, no, it is difficult to identify here in this way, otherwise I hope this one. Okay, let's see by a diagonal point. Okay, so join this, and from this diagonal, this corner to this corner. Okay, now we'll go for the ellipse, ISO circle, and select this midpoint. Yeah, the same thing we got, I think. Okay, now just need to you can select on this point, in this nearest point. Okay, or you can go for 30. Okay, now this is the ISO left, ISO right side circle. Okay, similarly again F5 I will click. Now it changed to, the cursor changed to ISO left. Again we can go for selection of this line and select this, go for 60 height, again width is 60, go for again length 60, again it will back 60 here. Okay, so I'm going to close it. Now similarly again we need to identify the midpoint of this. Now I'll select this and this corner to this corner. Similar way again we can go for the EL enter, select this ISO circle and select this center point of this. Now I can select on this. Okay, so this diagonals we can delete it, so not required. So other things we can keep it. These are the circle, what you can see left side, right side and top. Okay, we'll give some names on this, and before that let's give some dimension and highlight this, all these circles, select all these things, go for the change in color and go for the dimension of this. And next also you need to mark yeah, this is completed. Now we'll go for the dimension. We'll go for this diameter of this. Yeah, diameter will be not selected here because we have to give the distance, linear distance of this from here to here. Oh, not linear, that is aligned from this point to here, this point aligned. Similarly this one also you can give align dimension, and again for the second one you can give this 60. Okay, because isometrically we cannot get that exactly point, the circle, because it is in the ellipse mode, so you won't identify that one. And angle of this is side to the reference line, that also can be given, that side. And so for all this we can, this will be your 30 and this will be our 90 degree from here to here. Okay, similarly this we can give, and this also we can just mark it. And text also we need to give all these points, this ABCD point also we need to mark it. So go for text, single line text, we can give for ABCD point and PQRS. So these are the points we can mark it. Suppose this one I'll show you here. Let's go for A, and this is B, this is C point, and this is D point. And these are the things we can give it, P and this is Q, this is R, and this is S. Similarly, all other things can be given. So I hope you understood how to draw the isometric view of a circular lamina in the isometric projection. So if you are having any kind of doubt regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you.